lose money in crypto because there are some minor information that are actually major that you ignore, and that is information about network, crypto network. All right, so in this video I'm going to be talking about the different kind of network that we have, and if you understand all this network, all right, you will be able to transact without even making a single mistake. All right, I understand what you're actually doing. All right, most times most people send coin and they say, okay, my coin is not reflecting. Okay, I send money to this account and it's not showing. All right, most cases is network, and a lot of person knows just to network. All right, meanwhile there are several networks. All right, and many more are coming up. All right, as many more crypto bodies, many bodies are actually creating organization are actually creating a kind of like an ecosystem for themselves. All right, and whereby many are already sitting on already existing ecosystem. All right, so this is making things a bit confusing for a newbies, for people that don't really understand what what a network is or what a network is not. All right, first of all, now we have network. Most network always bear the name, most network always bear the name of their native currency. All right, like in every society we have the aboriginal people of that place. Let's say I'm living in Port Harcourt right now. There are people that here, I'm not the origin of this particular land where I'm living in, but we have people that were born here. Those people are called the aboriginal people of this place. That's the people that are the native of that place. All right, you get my point right now. All right, so we have the native currency of every single network have a native currency. All right, now that said, then we have the tenant. The tenants are those tokens that exist on those cryptocurrency, and the cryptocurrency that have the most tokens that exist on them is Binance Smart Chain, then followed by Ethereum. Why Ethereum have the most is an exchange built on it. Like Coinbase is built on Ethereum, and all the rest, they are all built on ERC20. All right. Now, this is what you need to understand about this whole terminologies I'm mentioning to you. And if you actually get this right, you shouldn't have problem transacting or doing anything transaction in any way. So what I've actually said now actually differentiate to you the differences between a token and a coin. Meanwhile, we generalize everything as a coin, or even myself, sometimes when I mention, I say this coin and this coin, the other coin, right? Most of them are actually token. A coin actually have its own blockchain, and a token, have its own network in the blockchain, while a token sits on another coin's blockchain. All right, so like all this, the Safe Moon and all the rest of them, like Doge, is it Baby Doge, Shiba Inu? They are all tokens. All right, they are not coins. All right. So with that said, now let's just go through the different lists. Now I'm just going to list them. All right, and if you have your mobile phone with you, you should be able to just check them out. If you can do this, you can check this out. All right, you shouldn't have problem. Then very soon this announcement is coming through. Very soon. All right, I am going to be organizing. I'm going to be organizing it based on a lot of requests I've received from most of you guys. All right. About, if you check my email, it's all about a recovery of coin. A lot of emails, people that want to learn and all of that. That want a detailed course on it. All right, because apart from the videos I've uploaded in differently, a lot of person doesn't still have they can't still find their way around it. So I'm working on a course, all right, that to be ready on the 30th of this month, on the 30th of November. All right, so you can actually pre-order it from the link below. All right, fill in your details and actually make a pre-order, or either join the wait list or pre-order the course. All right, so that once it's ready, access will be granted to you to just go through it. All right, through this recovery of coin, to be frank with you guys, a total of about over it's counting over $200,000 has been recovered from just this channel alone. All right, those that lost their coin, amazing and amazing, amazing, amazing comments all over. All right, and I personally have made over $10,000 within a space of less than 2 months from that recovery of coin, over $10,000. So, and if you understand it properly, like detailed, whatever the case may be, if when it comes to you, you can actually do it. Anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. You don't need to know how to code or anything. So if you are interested, just click on the first link below and join the course. All right, join the pre-order list. All right, make your pre-order and join the list. All right. So as simple as this may sound, a whole lot of person actually lost their money. Like a whole lot of losses these days are allocated to people not understanding what network a coin belongs to or not. Let's take BTC for instance. All right, now looking at this, let's start from number one, the number one cryptocurrency that everybody know. All right, number one cryptocurrency in the world, that is the Bitcoin. All right, now that's the first network that we all have. All right, Bitcoin network, we have Bitcoin network. All right, so if you are transacting and then instead of changing or choosing Bitcoin network, you decide to choose another network, it's still the same cryptocurrency you're transacting in, but if the wallet you are sending it to doesn't support that, then your coin may be totally lost. All right, so we have Bitcoin network. All right, starting with that one. All right, the rest we have two, apart from Bitcoin network, we have two major networks that are very, very powerful. All right, that almost everything operates on, just as I've mentioned earlier. Okay, that is the Binance Smart Chain network and the Ethereum network. All right, the Binance Smart Chain network and the Ethereum network. Let us discuss the rest in the next slide. So the rest that you don't want to miss out on, we have the Ethereum network, which you should know by now, the Smart Chain network, and this BNB also operate on Ethereum network. Then we have Polkadot, XRP, Stellar, Tezos, Tether, and all of this network have their independent native crypto currency. Then we have the Tron network, we have the VeChain, we have Cosmos, we have Kava, we have Filecoin, we have Solana, Ethereum Classic, Zilliqa, Aaron, and so many. We have Waves, Near, Icon, Ontology, Nano, Tomo Chain, IOTEX, �W𝐚𝐤𝐿, and I believe you don't know that most of this network actually exists. All right, even when I discovered it myself, I was actually shocked that to find out some of them. All right, then with the rest are King, Limit, AI, is it Ion that I'm seeing there? Thunder Token, Eternity, then Nebulas, Fio, Go Chain. All right. Now, all of these have their native currency. Then we have POA network. All right. And the last but not the least is the almighty Bitcoin itself that is not mentioned here. So please like and subscribe to my channel if you actually like my video or love what I'm actually doing. I appreciate you if you like and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of amazing videos coming up. All right, you want to learn more? Stay tuned. Love you.